Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to break down what most people's monthly paychecks typically look like after their expenses and things like that, and then show how it can transform after a financial needs analysis is done. So let's get into it. For those of you who are new here, my name is Andre Grant. I've been a licensed financial professional for just over 5 years now, and in that time I've learned quite a bit, especially that most people don't know what options are available to them. In fact, I'd estimate only about 9% of people truly understand and apply the financial knowledge that's out there. And that's a big reason why they're better off financially. My mission with this channel is to change that. I'm here to educate and empower and to continue to share what I'm learning on my journey. Let's put up this PowerPoint and let's get into it. So now let's break down the average person's paycheck. From my experience, it typically looks something like this. 22% goes to taxes, 25% goes to debt, things like credit cards, mortgages, and student loans. 50% goes to living expenses because, of course, we all have to live. And unfortunately, only 3% goes to our savings and investing. But through a financial needs analysis, that's when we're able to see people's financial situation and make adjustments as needed. For the most part, we leave living expenses as is, unless we really need to make changes. But we focus on fixing people's debt. Most people have credit cards with interest rates at 19%. We work on ways to reduce that interest rate to 0, 1, 2, or 3%, which makes a big difference in how fast to pay that debt off. When that area is taken care of, then we focus on reducing people's debt, and we show people how to potentially cut their tax bill in half legally. Then we take the difference and we put it towards a savings and investing plan. So as you can see here, we're able to reduce people's debt and their taxes significantly and allow them to pocket 10 times more and put that into a savings and investment plan. So as you can see, there's a huge benefit to sitting down and getting a financial needs analysis done. In today's climate, who wouldn't want to pocket 10 times more money to put toward their future and their goals? In my opinion, tackling your debt is the first step. Debt is like having a bowl with holes in it. It's impossible to fill it until you plug those holes. So once your debt is under control, you can truly start saving and working toward your goals. The second step is taxes. Let's be real, nobody likes paying taxes. So if you can find a way to significantly reduce them, would you explore that option? If this sounds like something you would benefit from, I invite you to reach out to me on Instagram at Andre R. Grant to get your financial needs analysis done and start moving closer towards your goals and dreams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.